Today, we will talk about how to use catnip. Let's have a look at the details. Catnip is a member of the mint family that's most famous for causing cats to experience both euphoria when they smell it and calm serenity when they eat it. In addition to being a great treat for your feline friends, catnip has many excellent human uses as well, although pregnant women should avoid it. Fresh catnip is easy to grow and use, and dried catnip is inexpensive and keeps well in the freezer, so give it a try. The first method is encouraging and rewarding your cat. Rub fresh catnip on toys, scratching posts, and more to entice your cat. If you're growing fresh catnip, snip off a handful of stems and leaves and rub them vigorously on scratching posts, new toys, cat carriers, and anything else you hope to draw your cat towards. Spritz bottled or homemade catnip spray to draw your cat to items. This is an equally great alternative if you don't have fresh catnip in your garden. Add a pinch of fresh or dried catnip to food to get your cat to eat more. Tear 1 to 2 fresh catnip leaves into small strips, or sprinkle a pinch of dried catnip over your cat's normal food. Tie dried catnip inside an old sock as a reward or comfort toy. Sure, you can buy cat toys that are made to be filled with catnip, but this works just as well. Reward your cat after training her for good behavior with 1 to 2 catnip leaves. Instead of giving a packaged kitty treat after a good training session, try using a fresh plucked catnip leaf as a reward. To limit the chance of tummy troubles, don't give your cat more than 1 to 2 leaves at a time, 2 to 3 times per week. The second method is using catnip wisely. Don't consume or apply catnip to your skin if you're pregnant. For most people, catnip is safe to use and may provide a range of possible but usually medically unproven health and wellness benefits. If you are or may be pregnant, however, steer clear of using catnip, since there is some evidence that it may cause serious pregnancy complications in rare cases. Don't let a cat eat catnip that isn't safe for consumption. If you buy dried catnip at the pet store, make sure it is listed as edible and does not contain unnecessary and potentially harmful ingredients. Store packaged or homemade dried edible catnip in the freezer. Dried catnip is typically inexpensive and widely available at pet supply stores. Don't worry if your cat doesn't seem to like catnip. It's a myth that all cats go wild over catnip. In reality, only around 50–70% of cats respond strongly to catnip. The other 30–50% are either only mildly interested or totally indifferent to it. And the third method is utilizing catnip for food or pest control. Grow catnip to add color and pest protection to your garden. You can grow catnip simply to enjoy its green color and minty fragrance. Or you can use it as a companion plant to keep pests like rabbits and rodents, which often don't like the scent or flavor, away from your other plants. Turn fresh catnip into a soothing evening tea. Pluck off a bunch of catnip leaves and add boiling water. Many people find that catnip tea has a calming effect, much like chamomile tea. Add fresh catnip to top off salads or main courses. Before dinner, snip off a small handful of stems and leaves. Snip the stems into 1 centimeter pieces and add them to your salad. And tear or cut up the leaves to make a tasty garnish for your main course. Rub fresh catnip on your skin as temporary bug bite protection. While cats love its scent, the smell of catnip seems to repel unwanted critters such as mosquitoes. For some quick protection while working in the garden, cut off a handful of catnip and rub it vigorously over your exposed skin. Make DEET-free mosquito repellent with catnip and vodka. Shake up the bottle and spray it liberally on your exposed skin before going outside. You may get 30 minutes or more of protection. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.